What is up, Cravers? It is your girl Sandy, and I'm back with another video. Today, it's Monday. I'm off today, but Martin Luther King Day, and we are snowed in. So we are snowed in, and what? Why you want to climb on me? You are too big. You are too big, Prime. Goodness gracious. So right now, Mr. Clayton is coming to help me out, meaning his dad. He's coming to help me out. There you go, up and down the street. So this is what he's doing. He's like, I never get stuck in the snow with this car, blah, blah, blah. Please don't hit my house. Don't hit my house. Please don't hit my house. I ain't gonna lie, my first winter here, I moved actually in here on a winter day. It was in February, the day before Valentine's Day, so that's coming up. Car does pretty good snow. So he's like, you need help? I'm like, sure. Why is you touching my screen, boy? Don't touch my screen. Goodness gracious. Anyway, stand up, stand up, stand up. No, stand up. I can't, you are heavy. You are 30-something pounds. Productivity, I'm gonna give it a, out of 100, my productivity today, I'm gonna say, I don't know, maybe a 50, because I got my hair done. Well, I did my hair today. I did my hair. I did finish my Valentine's kit. Images. I didn't put it together yet, but my images. I figured out how I want my kits to look now for my third year, and I'm actually loving the whole layout, so I gotta do a page 3 to it, and I don't know, I want to create like 10 more sheets. Once I create 10 more sheets, individual sheets, I'm fine. And then kits, I still don't want to say a number, as always, but I'm warming up some hot chocolate right now. It is 5:07. It's what time it is, 5:07. Leftovers for dinner, y'all. I'm about to finish up vacuuming this living room because it needs vacuumed and a couple things done. But overall, y'all, it's gonna be productive. I'm just gonna take a nice little break, ease my brain for a second, and then, you know, just do a little bit of here and there for later. And put a load of clothes in. That might be done, so I might as well go downstairs here. You know, so it's just one of those productive days. Nothing like too crazy, so one day at a time. I'm gonna probably show you guys how I'm gonna do the Valentine's kit. So that's what I'm going to be doing, especially I'm working late tonight. So working late, I want baby boy to go to bed on time. It's only 5:50. Ooh, it's still early in the day.
because it was more of a slow, moderate tempo R&B song.
What's up, Cribbers? It is the next day, but I wanted to show you guys the final product that I have. And anyway, the final product that I have, and show you guys the kit. So this is going to be the kit layout for 2022, so just to let you all know. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn this around so you guys can see what it looks like. Alrighty, so this is the beginning. This is the first page of the kit. You're going to get your deco boxes. So you have this lock and key, you have your love, the hearts that I created in a couple videos ago, the T. This is just like a quote box or something to put in here, quote, or you can write a quote in here for yourself. Here's like packages and like a heart, just like design. Here is the balloons, and I got, you know, little sayings in the back: forever, XO, me, with dots. Here's your candy hearts with the box of chocolate candy hearts. Box of chocolate. Last year I did candy hearts, but box of chocolates. And this is the first page. This is the second page. Now your numbers are going to be at the top. Your headers, your day headers are going to be on the side. You're going to have a morning, evening, and night. That's what if you want to do like on your sides, or even on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if you have a lot to do that day. You have like little page flags, Deco XO, of course functional boxes. You have social medias. You have from YouTube all the way to Twitter. I even added, finally added, almost forgot TikTok, but I got it all in there. And this is also, the social media icons are available in its own separate sheet. Now this will be out February 1st, just to let you know, February 1st. Here's some more page flags, and that is the second sheet. This is the third sheet where you're gonna be having your scripts now at the top. More functional boxes. And then here is going to be something a little different I haven't done or done in a while. This is a full sticker. So you see how that pulls up, and you can lay it across things. You can even cut it along the way if you need to, make it into 4 instead of a whole strip. But it's 2 full strips, more deco or more like die cut stickers in a way, and or just stickers. These are not die cut, but stickers. Remember goals, and then we got next week errands and to do, and then you have your dots. So I absolutely love this layout. This layout is more like a 5x7, very close to like a B6 size in a way, but it's a little bit bigger. Or is it a B6 size? Is it a B6 size? I know it's a 7, but yeah. So very close to that type. Well, it's a little bit bigger, but to that size, and 3 sheets. So this is the layout that my kits are going to be. I know I had some kits that actually had 4, but instead of the kit being this way and the boxes were laying this way, I want everything to be lined up together like this. So actually this came out to be really daggone it cute. Let me know in the comments if you like this. Now remember, February 1st, this kit will be available. And of course I got other ones to show you guys, but I'm just starting off with Valentine's Day first. So I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm excited to finally get these up and going on the shop. Thank you so much for watching.